Hey everyone, welcome back to theMonaZine. Have you ever spent an hour on a painting only to feel like you completely messed up the most important part? Today, I am sharing a painting that I honestly didn't want to post because it didn't meet my expectation. But I promise to keep this channel real with you guys. So let's get into it. I wanted to create a beautiful piece dedicated to Goddess Saraswati. She is the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, art, and wisdom. I was so inspired by traditional Indian folk art style. So I went all in on this vibrant, contrasting color and this heavy detailed border. Up until this point in the painting, I was feeling so good about it. The lotus and the swan were flowing perfectly. But then comes the face. Faces are incredibly intimidating to paint, especially small one. No matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't get the eyes and the expression to look the way I pictured them in my head. If I took any reference, then it will be a perfect. But when I am thinking something in my mind and try to draw it, then it will be a disaster. I kept looking at it and feeling so frustrated that it wasn't perfect. Have you ever ruined a picture or any pieces right at the very end or in the beginning stage? Let me know. Now let's see how it turned out. I was going to hide this in my sketchbook forever. But then I realized something funny. Do you know what is it? I am painting the goddess of learning. So I should not hide this painting because I'm learning. Art is a journey of learning, practicing and making mistake. If every piece was perfect, there would be no room to grow. That is why I am claiming this as a beautiful practice piece. I wanted to ask my fellow artist who is watching this video, do you have any secret tips for painting tiny facial details and eyes? Please let me know. Please drop your advice in the comments below because I clearly need it. Don't forget to subscribe to follow my real messy art journey. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.